PG net. He'll backhand it on the near boards up for Bobos. Give it a smack on the wall, and the puck cleared. McAndrews drilled him. Americans have the puck. Jelena knocked into the American bench. Now Rankin marches back, and we're going to have a scrap. Jelena into a bound along with Prince George's Zach Gonick. So a couple of fours into a fight. Jelena took exception to the hit by Gonick and came right back and throwing him. And Jelena getting a pretty good right in, trying to come back in. And Jelena knocks down Gonick. No harm done there. Boys will be boys at 2:44. So Gonick and Jelena.